All right, our number 2, it says, here's an unlabeled rectangle followed by other quadrilaterals that are labeled. Select all the quadrilaterals that are scale copies of the unlabeled rectangle. So, my unlabeled rectangle is 2 tall and 4 wide. So that means the width is twice as many as the height. Okay? A doesn't even look like it, so A is out. B is 3 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wide. 3 times 2 is not 8, so B is out. C is 3 tall and 6 wide. 3 times 2 is 6, so C works. D is 1 tall, 2 wide. 1 times 2 is 2, so D works. E is 2 tall and 4 wide. 2 times 2 is 4. F doesn't even look like it. G is 2 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide. 2 times 2 is not 5, so G is out. And H is 4 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 2 is 8, so H. So D, C, E, and H.